So what are you doing for the aging eyes?
Well, the aging eyes, what describes an aging eye? Because people complain to me all the time about this. They just look tired. They think that they're always looking like they're missing some sleep. The eyelid itself tends to grow as we age, and that excess eyelid skin tends to kind of hood over and really lay on top of the lashes. Some people even complain to me that their visual field is impaired because they feel like the shades are kind of being drawn down. Eyelid lift is one of my favorite procedures to do. It's actually my favorite facial plastic surgery procedure to do. The reason why is because this is the biggest bang for your buck in terms of facial surgery. Okay, and when people look at you, they say the eyes are the window to the soul. The first thing that you look at in a person when you speak to them, when you see them on TV or anything like that, is you're looking at their eyes. Okay, and that's where the money is in terms of this surgery.
So how many years younger can you make somebody look if you take care of their eyes?
We can give them a good 10 years back, maybe even
With
more.
just the eyes. Interesting. Okay.
Absolutely, yeah. And even more important than a facelift or nose job or anything else, it's the eyes that I always address first. Obviously, we have to address the brows, the position of the brows as well, the upper and lower eyelids. Now, in the eyelid procedure, a typical eyelid procedure, we remove the excess skin. We remove a sliver of excess muscle. Doesn't affect the function of the eyes, the visual field. Your vision isn't impaired at all by any of this. And what we also like to do is go into those little pockets of fat that tend to protrude and again make us look older than we really are. We get rid of all those things and then we place the incision or the scar right at that superior eyelid crease. This is the best healing scar that we do in plastic surgery. It's hidden in a natural fold of the body. Sometimes when people come to me for a redo of the eyelids, it's hard to even find the scar. So that's how how nicely it heals. Again, this is my favorite thing to do. I did it on my mother. And
is that right? What's
absolutely.
The downtime, by the way, on this?
Downtime is probably around a few days to a week. Most people go back to work just a few days after. They come back to the office. We remove the stitches. There's minimal bruising, minimal downtime. And again, it's just a refreshing look that they get. People love the results they get from my eyelid surgeries.